Hey everybody, RJ here. I got a little bit of the Racket Lake ice harvest. I thought I'd share with you guys. Got a little footage for you. They used to cut this stuff up in blocks and throw it on a train car and ship it down the city like they did everywhere before they had electricity. That's how they'd keep everything cool. Now they just do it. It's an annual thing. They take the ice and they put it in an ice shed behind the Racket Lake supply store there. They use it for the cooling and air conditioning all summer. They just take all the blocks of ice and stack them in this building there and use all the cold air for the store. But I don't know, I thought it was pretty cool. Thought I'd share it with you guys. So here's some footage.